Now this is a nice lawn. Follow me and I'll show you what we're up to today. So here we are in the mechanical room. What we're gonna do is we're gonna locate our irrigation main line and we're gonna turn the water off to the system. So as you can see here, we have our main water coming to the house from the foundation. We have a shutoff right here, and then we have our water meter. Your irrigation main line is always after your water meter. You wanna look for your double check valve assembly. That's this device right here. Now on this assembly, you're gonna see that you have two shutoff levers right here. They're only gonna turn one way for you. All you simply need to do is turn these levers. Now that these levers are fully closed, the water's off to the irrigation system, and we can now begin the winterization. So the first thing that your Naiad technician will do when we arrive on site is check to make sure that the water is actually off to the irrigation system. This is done at the main line outside. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to check and make sure that there's no continual water when we open this tap. Again, always make sure before you hook air up to a system that the water is actually off. For our final safety checklist, we're just going to check all our connections starting at the top and working our way down. Our connection to the hose bib is secure. We have pins in place on our first connection. Our relief valve is closed. Our ball valve is closed, and this connection is pinned. We're now safe to put air to the system. Our top goal is to make sure that our employees, our equipment, and your property is safe. Ensuring that all of our clamps are secure. All of our connections are pinned and in place. Double checking any valves and making sure that our pressure is properly regulated.
Hey Jeff, when do we contact Naiad for our fall blowout?
Well, actually, because we installed the irrigation system for you, it's already been booked. You'll just receive confirmation with the exact date of the winterization.
Is there anything I need to do to get ready for the fall blowout?
There are a few things that we need you to do. Namely, we need to make sure that the water's turned off to the irrigation system about a week before we show up. We also need to have clear access to the backyard and your main line. We need to make sure there's no pets in the backyard. And if you do have pets, please be kind and clean up after them.
And if we just have a mild winter, can I just skip the winterization?
Absolutely not. Winterization is a key part to maintaining your irrigation system, and the risk of skipping a winterization is just not worth it.
Great, thanks.
No problem. When we're finished the winterization, we'll attach this to your main line outside. Just kind of lets you know that we are here. It also lets everybody else know that the system has been winterized. Okay, ready to go. To summarize the steps we've taken in this video, step number 1, ensure the water to the system is off. Step number 2, hook up the compressor. Step number 3, safety check all connections. Step number 4, turn on airflow to the system. Step number 5, inspect system for issues. Step number 6, tag hose bib with notification. Step number 7,
Sit back and relax knowing Naiad has you taken care of.